Would you like to invest in the stock market but are afraid of losing it all? Today you'll discover what an ETF is. It's the perfect tool to start safely. If you like stocks, dividend, or volatility sound like Greek to you, don't worry. In the next 5 minutes exactly, how it works and if thousands of beginners use it. Imagine you want to buy fruit, but you don't know which ones to choose. Instead of risking it by buying just one, what would you do? Buy a basket that already has a balanced mix: apples, bananas, grapes. That's exactly what an ETF is. A basket that contains dozens or hundreds of stocks. When you buy one share of the ETF, you are automatically investing in all those companies at once. For example, the VUSA ETF replicates the 500 largest companies in the United States. With a single purchase, you own a small piece of Apple, Microsoft, Amazon all together. Why are ETFs ideal for beginners? First, automatic diversification. You don't put all your eggs in the same basket. Second, low costs. Fees of 0.07% versus a minus 2% of traditional funds. Third, transparency. You know exactly what you're investing in. Fourth, liquidity. You can buy or sell at any time during the day. Translated, with less money, less risk, and more control. Now that you know what an ETF is, in the next video, I'll show you the 3 specific ETFs every beginner should know in 2026. If this video helped you, subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next one.